If you're ready to start making money on YouTube in just 30 days, even if you haven't hit monetization yet, you're in the right place. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds way too good to be true, right? Well, rock with your boy for a little bit because I'm going to show you exactly how I got it done. Now, for the people who are new here, I'm Trey, a six-figure marketer with over 8 years of experience in the digital marketing world. I currently work as a creator partnerships manager for a multi-million-dollar tech company. And to keep it real with you, this journey has completely transformed my life. I'm talking about the affiliate marketing side. For example, in just 1 quarter last year, I was able to hit 6 figures. And today I'm spilling the beans on how you can get similar success as well, even with a small channel, because that channel at the time had less than 10,000 subscribers. And to be honest, it still does. So let's get to it. First things first, let's talk about the basics of affiliate marketing. So if you're not familiar, affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products, right? OPP, yeah, you know me, right? Now, when somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they make a purchase, you make a commission. That's simple, right? But here's the thing. Just signing up for affiliate programs isn't enough. You need to know how to choose the right niches and the right products to go with that niche, and then how to create content that converts those clicks into sales. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a solid understanding of affiliate marketing and how you can start earning passive income from it within just 30 days. Now, choosing the right niche is crucial. So you want to pick a niche that not only interests you, but also has good demand for products that you can promote. So think about the topics that you're passionate about or that you actually know a little bit about, and then you do some research around that to see if there's a market for it, right? Because you don't want to actually get too niche, because that's going to make your market size or the amount of people that you have to sell to even smaller, right? For example, you know, some good niches that you can use are tech gadgets, beauty, fitness, home improvement. Those are always in demand, but you really don't want to just jump on a trend as well, because like if you get into beauty and you're looking at creating dupes for beauty products and how you can make those for way cheaper, to be honest, like it's going to get a lot of views, but that audience is probably not going to be the best for making money, right? Like they looking for the sell, you know, but they're also not going to have a lot of products to sell as well. So be mindful about that when you're choosing the right thing. So choose something that you can consistently make content around as well, because that can actually get hard for you if you're in something that you don't really care about and care about making content as well. So once you pick the niche, it's time to find products to promote inside of those. Now, the mistake that a lot of people make is promoting any product that they can get their hands on